Guys, what up, guys? Welcome to Traders Therapy Session. I'm your host, KRO. Guys, in today's video, we were trading FOMC. We were not looking for this, we were looking for sales, but we were able to catch the closest hanging fruit. So, in this video, I'm going to explain how the breaker or how the silver bullet works. Guys, without wasting any time, let's just get into the charts. Guys, as you can see right here, this is my ultimate target, but I ended up taking 1:1, and as you can see, the market, wherever it's moving around my TP, and I will explain very soon why the reason I did this, because even if I was targeting this, but the 50%, it was my ultimate target. If the FOMC, since it was not even going with our buys, so we decided to do what? We decided to just take the closest hanging fruit, participate, and just appetize ourselves with the FOMC. So as you can see, it cannot get any better, guys. You can see here's the proof right here. We entered right there, and this cannot be a Photoshop. Paid ourselves right here, then let the rest run until the closest hanging fruit. Then after that, then we went out, and as you can see, the market is doing the things right here. Preserved the emotions. So there cannot be any perfect entry, guys, like this one. Entering here, entering at a swing high, exiting at a swing low. No, guys, we cannot get this perfection. Without wasting any time, let's just get into the trade, and let me explain in short, in less than 5 minutes, how I got this trade and how I'm with my boy right here, the Bear FX. So we were just watching the FOMC and then decided why not participating in it, and indeed we did. Little nyana ya borothonyana, guys, you know my OT. Tutlipanyana is nothing, something, guys, like it's something, as you can see out of this. Let's go to the charts now, guys. Let me remove this. How did I develop the thing for this? There are many ways, guys, that you can take this trade. You can treat this trade as a breaker right here. As you can see, take the wick or take the body. So we have our high, then we have a market structure shift, then we have a fair value gap plus this. You know, guys, if you want to know what a breaker is, please get into this channel. I have videos where I teach about this, and then my videos, I have the trades that I shared about this. So as the market went back into a fair value gap of a breaker, that's where you can see we got our entry sell right here. Let me just view this a little bit. As it goes back, this is our fair value gap, and this is that high right there. So as the market went into this, we entered based off this fair value gap. Then as you can see, with this rejection, because we know anything can happen from here, and this being the second and fair value gap, the market can just retest from this and reprice from this and come back, and before it breaks the low. But we managed to take something out here, and we took the last one right there. Then we let the market move. Then that will be your trade, guys, into a fair value gap. Others who are trading a title soup could have catched it right here. After this is a character shift. Then after the break, the retest, then you enter. We would have entered almost at the same place, but I do not want to stay here, because as you can see, my ultimate TP is the lows that we have low right here. You can see the shandies, guys, like we cannot avoid this ones, that the market might come low and do the things, you know. But the aim and the point, see a lot of shandies right here. You see, you've got a lot of shandies, guys, going down high, guys. So guys, let me not waste your time. That was the trade for FOMC. I will see you on the next video.